Hello, everyone. It's Mr. Hayden coming to you live from Mr. Hayden's classroom. This is our third video and our final video in our series of 3 videos. I'd like to first start off by telling you where our classroom is located in the building at Antioch. Now, you would think it would be in second grade, in that wing, but it's not. It's actually in the yellow hallway, room C105. There's not enough space down in second grade, so in my original classroom in the third grade wing, that's actually a little closer to walk to if you think about it. But I am still part of second grade, just in the yellow hallway C105. And I want to tell you about a few things that you may bring to school starting next week, and some things may change, and I'll let you know. First thing is a water bottle. We all need to stay hydrated. So we're not going to be using the water fountains much at all because it's better for you to have your own water bottle to fill up at the water filling station, all right, to keep everything as clean as possible. Our lunchtime is going to be from 10:32 to 10:55, and we are actually going to eat in the cafeteria at a special table socially distanced from other students. All right, so before I said we were going to eat in the classroom, that may happen here and there, but we do have assigned tables in the cafeteria. Make sure you bring a snack every day. Make sure it's a healthy snack, one that's going to feed your brain. All right, make good choices with that snack. We don't have any allergies that I know of in this classroom, so you should be able to bring something that you enjoy. And we'll have a special time each day to have snack. The first day, we're thinking about having you bring a stuffed animal, something that from home gives you comfort. Now, that might change too, depending on what Mr. Childers tells us we can do, but it would be something that we could do to make you feel more comfortable on your very first day back here at school. We will have specials, but specials will run for the entire week. So if we have media, we have it for the entire school week. And then we switch the next week after that, which may be music for the whole week, because kids come on different days. And it wouldn't be fair for us to rotate through and you would miss certain things. That schedule will be coming to you soon, either on Canvas or in a separate email. Some things that you want to bring the first week, or at least the very first time that you come. Don't bring all of your supplies all at once. So if you have like 1,000 glue sticks, bring just a couple of them. Bring a few of each thing. All right, but we do want you to bring all of your notebooks and your folders so we can help you to label them certain colors for certain subjects. And then we'll have you keep certain things home and bring certain things to school. And that'll come in a later message. Also, on the desks around here, we have your folders all labeled and your agendas. That should come back and forth every time it's your day to come to school. Make sure you bring some extra clothes just in case you may be playing outside or you may be at lunch and you spill something on yourself. That's always good to have in your backpack, just stuffed away at the bottom perhaps. And also some extra masks. I'm planning on having some extra masks for you guys too, but it's good to bring some as well. All right, there'll be more information coming soon, but I thought I'd take you on a tour of our classroom. And now as I rise up like this, we can really get the full view of this classroom. These are how I arranged the desks for us. And everybody is distant from each other, but they're also, when they're paired together, students are on a different day of the week. So you're not sitting directly next to somebody, but someone does sit there eventually. That's the entire classroom view. So over here, we have the beginnings of our sound wall. And that's going to fill up. That whole big thing is for spelling and word study and scientific spelling. That's coming soon. All right. And we're going to take a walk over here and take a look down this way and get a different angle. We have some mailboxes here to assign to the students. And I hope I don't trip. I'm walking backwards. This is where we're going to put all of the charts that we create. Let me see if I can get a good view. These are all of our subject areas, and they all kind of fit right there. And here's our little table in the back. Here's our library. I have so many books that I couldn't even fit them all out in our library. It's a nice library. It goes all the way from letter A all the way up to letter R for a big challenge. These are our cubbies, and they are labeled with your names. I have a meeting too. This is my desk back here, Mr. Hayden's desk, which I really never get to sit at. I'm always up and around, moving around throughout the entire day. This is one of our behavior systems, Behavior Bingo. It's for a whole class, and we'll have an online spinner, so anybody can spin, and we'll mark off the number, and when we get a class bingo, we'll make a prize for the whole class that fits both kids who come to school and kids who stay home. Here's our class schedule up on the wall here. That's where our schedule is. We have a pretty packed schedule. I'll be sending that out also on Canvas. You'll have that as well. So also I wanted to show you something else that's really cool. A lot of times throughout the day we have enough light that I have so many lamps in the room that we can dim the lights and have a very nice relaxing mood. We have some relaxing music going on while we write or when we read, depending on the subject and what we're doing. You can do that too at home. Get yourself a nice space, get some nice lighting. I even have this cool lamp right here. It's very bright actually. All right, so sometimes we're able to do that depending on the day if it gets a little too dark. My colleagues are knocking at the door, so I'm going to end off this message and come back to my original spot. I hope you all enjoyed this video and a little view of the classroom, and I look forward to seeing you guys here and online. All right, have an awesome day, everybody. Hope everybody's feeling great. Take care.